So spooky. It looked as though he had died of fright.
Baskerville Hall is in the middle of Dartmouth, isn't it?
It must be close to Dartmouth prison.
Ah! 3 prisoners escaped from Dartmouth prison yesterday. Perhaps it is connected with the letter in some way.
Mr. Holmes, will you find out who sends the letter? I'm very attentive.
Yes, I will. Watson, you must go to Devon and guard Miss Baskerville. I have work to do.
Right, Holmes, I'll go straight away to Devon and guard Miss Baskerville. Mr. Stapleton, the nearest neighbor, I believe. He lives in the cottage next door. Yes, you are right. This is Baskerville. Welcome to Dartmouth. I know it's late, but as soon as I saw your lights on, I decided to call in. That's my time with my friend, Dr. Watson. An honor, sir. Let's have a seat. Whatever's that? It sounded like a wild dog.
It's the curse of the Baskervilles. I heard it the night your uncle died.
What the hell do you mean? Are you making this up?
No, miss, it's true as I stand here.
Well then, out with it. Tell us the story.
That picture over the fireplace, that's the wicked Sir Charles, one of the oldest Baskervilles.
He lived here 300 years ago.
He treated his wife cruelly until she could stand it no longer. One night she ran off and escaped across the moor.
Poor woman.
They chased her into a great broken swamp, and she was sucked down.
The swamp is a very dangerous place.
She cursed him, she did, called on the devil to take him.
What happened?
Before the night was over, a huge hand tore at his throat. It was a huge hand, and it gleamed with a strange white light.
How frightful.
The ghost hound still haunts the Baskerville.
How do you know?
Beside your uncle's body, in the earth of the flower bed, there were footprints of an enormous hound. Now dinner is served.
Will you have dinner with me?
Sergeant Potter? Yes, Inspector Blunt. Constable Smith?
Present and correct, sir.
As you know, 3 dangerous prisoners escaped yesterday from Dartmouth prison. Our job is to track them down and take them back. But how did they manage to escape, sir? They took a tunnel with their spoons. Prisoners are not allowed to nurse.
Of course, sir. Sir, that must have taken them years. Are they very dangerous, sir?
Very. You were signaling. Look!
Across the moor on eastern light zone. It's kept on and off.
Could it be the ghost dog?
It's Watson. It's coming from the hut. No, it's my brother Jake. He's hiding out in the moor.
You mean your brother is one of the escaped prisoners?
Yes, my brother Jake. He was led into bad company and I couldn't leave him to go hungry and cold.
So that's where Miss Baskerville's brown coat went.
You stole it for your brother? Oh, sir, give him a chance. Don't let him be found.
The police must hear of this. I'll phone them tomorrow. It's too late now.
The poor fellow would have been safer staying at home and wandering about on the moor.
But what killed him?
The curse of the Baskervilles, Mr. Stapleton, a gigantic hound. Oh, man, can you see those guys in the distance?
Yes, sir, thank goodness. I was beginning to think we were lost.
It looks like a big house with all the guys.
According to my map, and with a bit of luck, it's Baskerville Hall. We had a phone call that before they left us, asking for Mr. death.
Please,
To our cozy cells, to our warm bunks,
to delicious prison meals, we'll never try to escape again.
make sure you never escape again, you villains. Sergeant, Constable, tie up those criminals and take them back where they belong.
I'm not now in danger. Mr. Stapleton is dead, and those prisoners are captured now.
One last word, Inspector. There's something the world must know. I was not, as my sister said, led into bad company. Bad company came looking for me, the most hardened criminal in British history.
Well, Watson, our work is done here.
Now the mystery is solved.
celebrating her birthday, as well as looking very nice. We're going to sing happy birthday to her. No. Right. Ready? Show her at the front. Miss Baskerville, ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Paloma. Happy birthday to you. 9, 10, 11, 1 for luck. Right, ladies and gentlemen, I hope it was worth waiting for. Some budding actors here. Yeah? We're making a film next. I thank you very much, boys and girls. You did very well. Now have to go back to lessons. So there's, if you haven't already had coffee, there's coffee. And
it's all right.
¿Qué día estamos?
Hoy día estamos viernes. Ay, es el último día de trabajo. Fin de semana.
Está bien. Marisa preguntaba, ¿cómo está Flor? Ya está triste. Yo dije, no, una semana ya se pasó.